Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. And if you're looking for a quick way to measure improvement in shoulder range of motion, one of my favorites is to just get a little sticky note or even a piece of Scotch tape. What you do is you take it, and if I want to measure how high into flexion I can get my right shoulder, now I can't get a range of motion measurement by myself, but I can at least measure function. So the way I do it is I come to a wall, I put my toes against the wall, I put my torso against the wall. This helps to prevent you from kind of leaning back or leaning forward. I line up the little sticky note with the tips of my finger, and I simply reach up as far as I feel comfortable to mark my progress. And then on the next day, after I've done my stretches, I've worked with my physical therapist, I'll grab a new sticky note, I'll put the date of the test on the sticky note, and I'll reach up a little bit higher, hopefully. And as I continue to progress, I continue to get elevation through the shoulder. It's a great objective way for you to see improvement, mark improvement, and then go celebrate the work that you've been putting into therapy. Thanks for watching, guys.